guys, I'm going to show you how to detail your interior dashboards. You can use this also to your plastic trims outside of your car. This is from Turtle Wax. This is not a sponsored video. I'm going to show you how to use it properly. So you need to be not directly under the sun to apply this one. Apply it with the shaded covered parking, or if you're in the basement, or if you have a garage. This thing will be, you can use it, utilize it very quickly. I'm going to show you a picture, closer look at this. So let's go to the inside. You can see, well, we have our dog. The first is right here. Dashboard is whitish, becoming white. It's not longer black. This is a Mitsubishi ASX Outlander Sports 2011 model. It's kind of dirty, so I'm going to show you how to use and apply the Turtle Wax interior detailing, especially when you have black garnish like this. So now we are inside the 2011 Mitsubishi ASX. I'm gonna turn on the accessories. Alright, so you hear the bells of the car. Okay, so now we just need a microfiber cloth, clean cloth. Make sure it's clean. So we need to wipe all the excess dirt away from the dashboard. Rub it smoothly. So I'm going to show you how to apply. If you have some kind of special microfiber cloth dedicated for interior, that's much more better. So we need to clean it, so we will prolong the interiors of the car. So firstly, dashboard, everything here, we need to clean it, wipe it cleanly. We need to remove the excess. See, it's kind of dirty. It should be pinkish like this. Now it's darker because there's dust together. When it's accumulated, it will create problem to the interior. So we need, like, I like you can see how I rub things very gently. We're not going to apply any pressure at all, so we will lessen any more damages. Dashboard, just wipe it out. Sometimes there's special wipes that you can buy in the auto shop, but I suggest you go for the microfiber cloth like this, what I'm using, because it's less it's not that expensive at all. So now we have wiped every single dust from the driver's side. Okay, the air vents, the gauge, the infotainment, the info button, the side of the gauges. You can see everything is wiped. The steering wheel is wiped as well. Now we need to change our cloth to a different clean cloth. Like I said, microfiber. It should be clean. And then we will apply. So you can see, you can use it as well in your tires and for your interior trims. You can buy this also, quick, easy, inside and out protectant. Yeah, so you can see tires, dashboards, door panels, trim. So now we just have to open it up, toss it the cover, spray it gently to the cloth. You can see there's the protectant, and then rub it with each other. Let's take this out and smoothly, gently rub it to the
Let's do this
garnish of your interior. And as you can see, it is getting darker, smoother, and it will look brand new. It's like you had the car wash from the outside, from the shop, when you can do it on your own with less money to spend. Now go gently to your lever, to your gear shift, rub it nicely, gently, like I say. See, now it's getting shinier because this thing has a shiny effect and all included with the chemicals. So I feel I'm running out, so we will apply,
let's do this,
like 4 more sprays. Okay, I had 4 sprays here. So rub it again to the steering wheel to make it darker, to the air horn, or the horn, the airbag should I say. Apply it gently, equally to all sides. Your levers. Okay, should I just turn off the electronics? Then to the dashboard itself. So this thing will shine like it's brand new. And your knobs. So as you can see, after a week or so, month, the dashboard still looks new, clean.
let's do this.
So if you want to see the previous video about before this one, I've shown you before and after we apply the detailing of your interior trims, especially black garnish interiors. If your car has the black garnish, or I think there's a special protectant from Turtle Wax as well for beige or white interiors, but most of the cars of 2000s are black trims. So this thing is very essential. Use it wisely. Use how I did and apply like that, gently and equally, and this thing will protect and prolong your interior trims for a longer time. So that's wraps our video. Check out my playlist up to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Peace.